Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're making a very luscious, gorgeous keto dessert. This is super easy. It's mascarpone mousse with roasted strawberries. First, all you do is you're chopping your strawberries in quarters. Make them nice and small so when they roast, they're nice little pieces. Now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sweetener. I like to use granulated swerve. And I'm gonna add some vanilla. And we're gonna toss them together and just spread them in a baking dish. And now we simply put it in an oven that's preheated to 375 degrees. And now while your berries are baking, you can just start putting together the mousse. This is 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. It's nicely softened. You don't want it straight out of the fridge, you want it room temperature. And now I've got 4 ounces of cream cheese. This just helps give the mousse a little bit more substance. And I've got 6 tablespoons of powdered sweetener here, but I'm only gonna put 4 of them in here. And we are going to use some more vanilla, so about half a teaspoon. And we're gonna beat it together. And once your mascarpone and your cream cheese are nice and smooth and beaten together, you're gonna whip some cream. I've got a cup of cream here. And I'm just gonna add the remaining 2 tablespoons of sweetener. And we'll just beat the cream until it holds stiff peaks. You can see it's holding nice stiff peaks, and you're ready to go and mix them together. Now all you want to do is fold your whipped cream into your mascarpone mixture. And you just want to lightly fold them together so that you're getting a nice combination of the whipped cream and the mascarpone. Now, you could simply spoon it into your dessert cups. That would be easy, but sometimes it's nice to pipe it in as well. This makes about 6 to 8 servings. And now all you need to do is pipe it nicely into your dessert cups. Now I just took my strawberries out of the oven. They're nice and hot, and you can just start spooning the berries over. And you're ready to serve. This is a wonderfully elegant dessert. It's delicious, it's perfect for summer, and no one would ever know that it's sugar-free. For the full recipe, see alldayidreamaboutfood.com or get it in my book, Easy Keto Desserts.